I'm not going to share. I don't want you guys screenshotting this and seeing my personal stuff. Why the hell am I still doing silly things like this? Because it works. Every dang morning, I am writing down my goals in life as if they've already achieved. I've got how much money I make per year. I've got how much my YouTube accounts make. I've got how much I weigh on here. I've got, I'm going to live in a Palm Beach mansion. Boom, there's the picture of that sucker's 18 million. Have a feeling I could put in an offer at 12 and I'd get it. We'll see, right? You got to write down your goals, and then more importantly, you guys, if I can do it, you can do it. You need checklists of things that you do every day. Because if you're not checking off on the list the things that you do every single day, you're not going to do them. Imagine that, right? If you're not writing down how many calls that you need to make, what are the activities that you need to do, who are the connections that you need to make, what do you do on LinkedIn, what do you do on your social media, what do you do with your voicemail? I don't give a darn what it is on that list. You need to sit down and go, okay, what is my formula for success? What I give a darn about is whether or not you're putting it on a sheet and checking it off every day. And most of you are not doing that. And that's okay. But don't complain and say, it's the economy, it's the politicians, it's my competition. When you're not even taking enough control of your own life to go, I need to make this many prospecting calls every day. I need to follow up with my pipeline and do this. I need to send this many emails out. And who am I going to send these out to? Most of you haven't taken the time to develop a sheet like that, which is no different than a professional athlete showing up to a football game on Sunday with no plays. Oh, we're just going to run around. We're just going to run around and hopefully score some touchdowns. Yeah, it doesn't work, right? You have to have a process. You have to have a plan. You have to trust your plan. If you are not using a sheet like this, make one. It's right there in the portal for you, the template. It's right there in the front of the website, www.eastonuniversity.com/goals. The PDF is sitting right there the template is right there for you to download. Now it's going to require you to go in and put your own pictures in there, your things that motivate you. And we talked about Alex and I talked about this. Alex not putting pictures of him and his daughter on the sheet. Why? Because Alex's daughter loves Alex. She's going to love Alex unconditionally. Okay, I'm not trying to tell you guys to be materialistic, but when you put pictures of your family, when you put pictures of your pets on your daily goal sheet, that does nothing for you when it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon and you know you've got 7 more dials that you need to make. Because that family is still going to love you. You need to put something on there, like this house that I'm about ready to put an offer in for. This keeps me going every day. Maybe it's a vacation you're going to take. Maybe it's a car you're going to drive. Maybe it's a picture of the university that Alex is going to donate a library to so his daughter gets to go to school there for free. I'm cool with that, but what I'm not cool with when you're trying to motivate yourself is surrounding yourself with things you already have. That doesn't motivate you, right? And in fact, the opposite is true. The more successful you guys become, the more you're going to have to do little things to motivate you. Okay? I spend a lot of time with professional fighters, UFC fighters. Once you get to the championship level, real hard to get out of bed at 4:30 in the morning and go run for 7 miles. Because you're the champion of the world. But that's what made you the champion of the world. So find things that motivate you, find things that inspire you, find things that keep you going on those days where you're like, man, I thought that deal was going to close and it didn't close, where you've got the emotional motivation, and then you're like, dude, I just trust my process. How many calls do I need to make? How many deals do I need? I got to add 5 new deals into my pipeline today. No problem. I'm 3 deep, need 2 more, let's rock, right? That's what you guys need to be doing. Or don't. But this is what's going to separate you from everybody else out there that's like, hey, I'm just going to send out some spam emails today and then bug all of the people, buy or die. Right? The true champions are organized, they're focusing on the front end, they know what they have to do every day, and they do it. It's really that simple. What questions can I answer for you guys?